What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we are going to dive into the distinct features of two leading AI art generators, Leonardo AI and Midjourney, to help you navigate the realm of digital creativity. Leonardo AI, inspired by the genius of Leonardo da Vinci, offers a multi-aspect approach beyond art creation, catering to businesses with its automation capabilities and predictive insights. Known for its sleek and modern aesthetics, Leonardo AI excels in producing professional quality images with sharp details and clean finish, ideal for those seeking a minimalist and contemporary look. Its standout feature lies in the ability to train custom models, allowing users to explore diverse artistic styles and create personalized artworks tailored to their specific needs. On the other hand, Midjourney stands out for its vibrant and detailed designs, characterized by rich colors, intricate details, and a dynamic visual appeal. This AI art generator is perfect for those who appreciate art that exudes energy and creativity, making it a favorite among artists and creatives looking to bring imaginative concepts to life. With a focus on turning ideas into colorful masterpieces, Midjourney offers a user-friendly experience that simplifies the art creation process, making it accessible to a wide range of users seeking vibrant and expressive visuals. When considering image quality results, Leonardo AI shines in delivering sophisticated and professional visuals suited for businesses and individuals aiming for refined presentations. In contrast, Midjourney's artistic flair and creative expression make it an excellent choice for those looking to infuse their creation with vibrancy and life. Both platforms offer unique strengths tailored to different creative preferences, ensuring a diverse range of options for users seeking AI-generated art solutions. When it comes to pricing, Midjourney provides a free trial followed by a subscription-based access, catering to users looking for premium services. On the other hand, Leonardo AI offers a 14-day free trial with flexible pricing plans based on usage needs, accommodating various budgets and usage levels. By understanding the nuance of each platform's features and pricing structures, users can make informed decisions based on their artistic vision and requirements, exploring the possibilities of AI art generator with Leonardo AI and Midjourney to unleash your creativity in the digital realm. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.